This is basic, but you will make $1,000 the easy way with Python trading. So, you want to make $1,000 with trading without tons of effort, right? In this video, I'm going to show you a that simple Python strategy that anyone can set up and start using it. You don't need to be a coder, you don't need to be a market expert. So let us dive in because this is going to be the easiest trading setup you've ever seen. So right now, as you can see from the screen, this is the Python script that we have already shown in our previous YouTube video. Okay, so if you are feeling not familiar with all of this, make sure to look back because I do explain in details on what this is. So basically, this is a script that we extract historical data that we use to backtest. So right now we are using Bitcoin, and this is the date that we are choosing right now. So we are going to design a strategy that we have been mentioning from our previous video, the simple moving average. Okay, so yep, let's just extract it first. Okay, so we have done extract data for BTC. So right now, let us go to our second script. So this is also the script that we have already explained in our previous video. Just I do some slight modifications. So at here, we can have the option to input our initial capital. So at here, I just simply put $300. So from $300, we want to grow to $1,000. So how long does it take, and does it really we can achieve these targets in just 4 years? So let us try it out. So at here, we will still use the same strategy that we used in previous few videos. We will use a moving average of 38 right here. So the bottom part, all of this is just to calculate all of our performance metrics. So we do have Sharpe ratio, we do have calculate our annualized return, calculate our maximum drawdown. Yeah, so all of this is one of the few crucial key performance metrics that you should focus when you are evaluating the strategy itself. All right, so yeah, let us just try to run. So this is your initial capital and this is your MA. So let's try to run. What is the result? All right, so as you can see from here, your capital itself will grow to, yeah, you'll get roughly around 300 to 400% of returns by using this itself. And your final capital will be around 1,200 in the matter of 4 years itself. All right, guys, so you might be thinking that, wow, I need to use 3 to 4 years to get my first $1,000. But here is the thing. If you want to earn $1,000 and your capital is just only $300, so yeah, it might take some time. So let us try and see if you have $1,000 and you want to make another $1,000, which is a 100% increase. So we can also try in this script, $1,000 itself. Yeah, you can try to run. So you can see your $1,000 has become $4,100 in the matter of 4 years. So what does it mean? It means that maybe in the first year itself, you already earn your first $1,000. Okay, so this is just a strategy that is used in Bitcoin itself, and it is not compounding. So what if you compound? Then definitely the amount you get will be higher. So let us try if let's say you only have $500 and then you want to set it for compounding, okay, which means that you don't want to take it out, you want to keep on compounding your capital to see how fast you can get your first $1,000. So we can try and see it. All right, so here is your equity curve, and this is your final capital. So you can see in a matter of 4 years, if you are using a compounding effect, so your $500 would become $7,600 in the matter of 4 years itself. So that is the power of compounding. So maybe just in the first, I would say in the first few months or few 1 years or 2 years itself, your $500 will have already earned $1,000 for you. Okay, so yeah, this is compounding, and it is an option for you guys to see whether you want to start compounding or you want to go for arithmetic. Okay, so yeah, we can still try on different kind of assets like mentioned on previous few videos. So let's say if you want to focusing on NVIDIA, so we can just try to run to generate. Okay, so we just remove. Okay, so NVIDIA still the same thing. Let us just try to focusing on $500 and 38 MA. NVIDIA, let us change to a longer time because it do have a longer history. Okay, so let us try a run. Wow, so you can see by applying this strategy itself, a MA of 38 and your initial capital of $500, if you keep on compounding, your final returns will become $16,000, just a matter of 10 years. Okay, so that is quite a huge amount of gain, I would say, in just 10 years. So yeah, this is it guys. It's that simple if you stick to this simple strategy itself. So how can you start applying in your real trading? So it's very simple. Let's say if you want to apply this strategy itself in the trading view, it's very simple. You can just go to trading view itself. Then let's say just now we are using NVIDIA, right? NVDA, just for an NVIDIA. And then at here, we can just set to 38, okay? Set to 38. And then, yeah, this is an indicator. You can just search it anywhere in the trading view itself. And then you just change it to 38, which is what you have been backtesting based on your Pythons. Okay, so once you're backtesting, you just need to follow it all the way. Okay, just follow it all the way. Whenever it shows you a buy signal, you just buy it. Whenever it shows you a sell signal, you just close your buy positions. Okay, so yeah, you can see all the time it still earn quite a good way. You can capture quite a good wave, I would say. And you can see maybe during consolidation markets perform not so well, but whenever there is a trend coming, then yeah, you can earn quite a good amount of numbers, I would say. All right, so yeah, so this is it. How easy it is for you to start to make your $1,000 in the trading itself. So, but here is the problem, guys. What is the correct MA for you to use in order to get this kind of result? Does MA38 is the best MA to use? Well, it might be not the case. It might be MA50, it might be MA90, it might be MA500. So we wouldn't know. So that's why we need to backtest. So do we need to backtest it one by one? No, there is a way for you to do it. Okay, so stay tuned for our upcoming video and I'll show you how you can do it. So I will see you there.